How to add music to your Instagram profile. What's up everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily add music or any kind of audio on your Instagram profile. As you guys know, you were already able to add musics on your notes or if you leave notes on Reels. Those are the new features on Instagram, but Instagram just rolled out a new feature where you're able to add music to your profile. Let's see how you can do it. First thing you want to do is obviously head over to your profile. And once you are here, you have an option to edit profile. Just tap on it. Now you will see all of your details like your name, username, pronouns, your bio, and if you've added any kind of links to your profile, it will be shown here. And here is your gender, and right below gender you will see music. So here you see an option to add music to your profile. Just tap on it and pick a song for your profile. And once you do that, you can just tap on the song, choose the part of the song that you want to add. You can add it up to 30 seconds, and that's default. You cannot change the timing of your music, but if the future update brings out new features where you can change the amount of the time where you can set the music, we will be the first one to let you know. So make sure to hit the subscribe button below. And now once you've done this, you just tap on this OK icon at the top right. And as you can see, the music has been added to our profile. So here is the music, and you can play the song, or anyone that visits your profile can play this song. That's how you can easily add music to your Instagram profile. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.